Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn on or turn off press to use microphone function in CS2. Okay, first things first, open CSGO and navigate to the settings menu. Within the settings, just locate and select audio. Look then for the enable voice option, there are two settings. Disabled, microphone functionality is turned off. And press to use mic, this settings enables you to activate the microphone by pressing a designated key. So if you want to do that, just navigate to keyboard and mouse settings, find the communication section, look for the use mic setting, and click on the field to assign a key that activates the microphone during gameplay. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn on or turn off press the use microphone function in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.